My name's Richard Haydock. I'm the owner of RJ Woodworking Machinery. RJ Woodworking Machinery has been trading for 33 years, principally main distributors and agents for SEM Group from Italy. Now more recently in the last few years, Sahisa, manufacturer of edge banders from Barcelona, and also main and exclusive importers of the Tongan machinery, tenoners, window line machinery, and even more recently kitchen cabinet door machinery based in Belgium. I think it's the range of machinery that we offer. I think we offer a good quality, comprehensive, leading brand range of machinery for people. That's why we get people sourcing machinery from us, because they could want a specific brand or a specific model. But anything that we don't have, we're able to source. Not everything on our website will suit everybody. So we can source particular items of machinery, and do very often do. It may not be found on our website, but it doesn't mean to say that we can't source it and find it and help supply it to you. You can contact us by email, by telephone. Most contact these days is through the website, because we have many areas of where you can ask for a quote, finance information on relevant machines that we have advertised. We have two main sections. One is what we've actually got in stock at that time, so you can view and see what is in stock. We've got goods on back order, so you can see it's on order for stock but not yet with us, and it has an anticipated time that it should be with us.